This is what I'm gonna do for this one. What is up, YouTube? So today we're headed to Jimmy's to hopefully get the V-Bag. Zach's here. We're gonna go take along Jenny to Jimmy's. It's not really long. We've done it so many times, it's not even that long. But I'll go check out JDM Speed Factory. We're gonna go ahead there, check out the merch. You already know the Cacao shirts, guys. Super dope. I'm hopefully gonna try to get more rolling through just so you guys can wear some dope merch. And then I'm gonna be making some more like trendy type merch. But let's go. Hello. Alright guys, the super long drive, it's not really a long drive, but it's over. Zach's pulling in, he's doing something for his sister's car. Damn it! Uh-oh. Every time we come here, I swear you have a new airplane. Oh! Oh! Yo, that's icy. Oh! This is like always the intro to like when we come over here. It's just like, airplanes. You gotta, alright, you gotta get a close up. Oh, 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 oh! This is what I'm gonna do for this one. Check them out, guys. JW plane. Oh, when'd you get So, if you was wondering where the Mustang was, it's right here. Too bad, Chris doesn't do anything with this car, man. All right, ready? You gotta do a burnout. Oh! That was pretty dope. This is cool. We got this. Why is this? It's got the stock muffler on here. This is pretty funny. Stock looking muffler. This thing is really dope though. I swear this is Thomas's old car. I swear this is Thomas's old car. Is this done? Kinda. Not really.
He wants
more boost, guys. You know what I'm saying? If you want boost, come to JW Speed Factory. But I'm actually here picking up my new car. We got the Honda Beat. This thing is super tiny though. I want to do a review on it, but I don't know what they're doing. I don't know what they're doing, guys. This guy over here doesn't want me to drive it because I'm so big and I'm gonna pop the tires.
That's what she said.
Now what you need to do is hit two-step. The wind is impeccable. So this poop stick, we came all the way here.
I never checked it.
We took out a 10mm bolt. That's it.
That's
but,
funny.
I mean, oh shoot, at least we know now. Procrastinated. We could have done this in your driveway in like 30 seconds.
I saw the cord ones and I was like, dude, I'm not gonna be able to drill it out. I was like, fuck that.
Now I guess we're gonna have some extra time to put the V on the lift. Hopefully we get this thing back. All right, dude. This is the launch pad. Did you turn it?
Yeah, you're gonna turn it off now.
Turn it off, dude. All right, guys, we got the TPMS or the ABS sensor in. Zach thought it was gonna be broken off in the hub, but it actually wasn't. It was a 10mm bolt, a 12mm bolt. Took 2 seconds. Now we're probably gonna. John C. Taking the race car for a test spin, guys.
You guys ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, dude.
You guys ready?
Supercharged turbo hybrid CRZ. Dude, we hit what, 260? Alright guys, so we're in the Honda Beat. We're gonna go do like a little mini review on this for the channel. I'm not really gonna make this the review video, but I'm gonna make a whole separate one. Let's go. Let's go. It's so small, like. Hey! That's actually a nice horn.
I don't know. Sounds better than the CRZ. Alright. Damn.
He's pushing with
his
thumb.
thumb.
Be like, man. This thing is so small. I feel like I'm gonna hit stuff, but we're so far away just because it's so small.
This thing's low.
Stock height. All right, guys, we're gonna go super fast. kilometers, guys. Like 60 miles an hour. What do we have here? Nice. You got it. Come on, bro. Oh my God. Look at it. In the arms of an angel. Yes, this is JW Auto Parts. We got the red bits.
Land on the windshield.
Don't do it to me. No! Whoa, 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 whoa. I would not trust that.
I'm still gonna send it.
All right. I'm turning the camera off. So if you guys aren't aware, this is like a 3-story drop, but he's going. R7.
Oh, that just hurt my feet.
Parkour. All right, so since Jimmy doesn't want to work on my car anymore and he just thinks I'm a loser like usual, we're gonna go get some food because it's getting late and I'm hungry. I had a Red Bull and it's making me hungry.
Guess who came to hang out?
Guess who came to hang out? Look at this mother monkey. He's gonna bring our extra steering wheel because in the drive-thru with the nitro setup so that we can not look crazy. I don't know. Or I should just go in reverse. I don't know. Reverse would be funnier. But yeah. But we're gonna go there, take the beat because we're at the Speed Factory. You gotta take the awesome cars. Hey, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I'm gonna wait until it gets up there so you can like slide down when you hit the close button. You gotta close it back up, all right? All right.
It is so cold out here.
We're at the drive-through. I wanted to go in reverse, but you know what I'm saying? This guy, this car's so small, I just hit myself. But he didn't want to do anything. Is she bad?
You look like,
Lil.
Yeah.
Yeah. You gotta hold them joints. Boy, no cup holders in the beat. Oh wait, hold on. Hold up. No cup holders.
Hey.
All right, so one more thing I should have added in the review. If you guys didn't check that out, check it out right here. There's no cup holders in the beach, so fast food, no option. We got the top off now, you know what I'm saying? Even though it's what?
It's 30 degrees.
Now he broke the top off the thing. He's ready to be, how am I supposed to hold this? How am I supposed to drive and hold this? This guy is crazy. So Jimmy didn't want Arby's, so we had to come to Hardee's. Now we're just gonna be cold. We don't have any space in this car. It's gonna be filled with food. No, it's warm here. We're used to like in Canada, it's like negative degrees right now.
Oh, y'all should have been here last week then.
Why?
Because it was really cold here last week.
How cold was it?
We were dealing with single digits, but with the wind chill factor.
See, single digits isn't too bad from where we're from.
Well, we also have wind chills.
Oh yeah, that messes it up.
It's bad. How long are you guys here for?
We're getting our new car, so
And
this
not
is
too long, just like a week trip.
yeah.
Oh, well.
Oh shit. Put it on there. What are you doing?
Because they just dump that everywhere.
I didn't dump it, he did.
Oh.
Yeah, but it feels good out.
Really cold this week.
Oh.
We're actually supposed to get snow on either Tuesday or Wednesday.
See, we get snow like 10 months out of the year. Alright guys, after Crazy Chris spilled all that stuff on the beat, we basically just chilled for a little bit, cleaned the beat up, and we're like super tired. It's like 12:30. We're just heading home. Had to stop to Wawa, get some gas. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Comment, rate, subscribe if you want to see more of the V and everything. The V should be done pretty soon, hopefully. But go check out all the people in the description. Comment, rate, subscribe. Let's see you next time.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.